up guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always I love Mom over here.
Hi everyone, good to see you again.
Okay guys, if you're new to this channel, you know what to do here. Anything I go to the kitchen, cooking tips, cooking stuff guys. If you love cooking, make sure to subscribe.
Yes.
Like
channel.
Yeah guys. Like, help to boost the video.
Yes.
Let the channel. We're almost at 150 subs guys, so let's get there.
You guys are really the best. Please.
So anyways guys, today we're doing something very simple. We're frying cheese.
Yeah.
Frying
cheese.
Yeah. So we're frying cheese. So simple, short, easy. So let's get to the video.
So good people, come with me. Here is the cheese. So I'll be cutting it. Okay. I hope everyone knows cheese. I just decided to buy it and prepare it myself so I can enjoy it very, very well. Friends, as you can see, I'm done cutting it. Yes, this is it. So I'm just going to be sprinkling. I will sprinkle this salt, a little. Me, I don't even like eating salt. And this is pepper, dry pepper, powdered pepper, whichever way. It should be enough. Just mix it like this. Okay. So next thing, I'm going to be frying it. I've hit my pan on fire. All right, guys. So friends. Okay. Hope you can hear the sound. You know, oil is more than this thing now. It's like oil. Very, very expensive. So, sorry, Jeff is busy doing something at the background. Hey guys, we are done. Come closer, come closer. Ta-da! Oh my God. This looks
so
yum.
This is the cheese. If you already know, this is the cheese. We have our tomatoes.
Just
to garnish it, to make it look appetizing.
Chew it together.
Yeah, and so go with the cheese. Guys, that's it. Easy, simple, easy. Anyways, guys, that's for the video.
It's simple and nice.
Yeah. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like the video. Emphasis on like, so it will boost the video up. You know, let's get to that 150 sub. Okay. Thank you so far, guys. So keep on liking the video. Okay?
Without you guys, there's no more video in the box.
Yes, it's going to be a dry tip. We're just going to be posting for us. Yes. For nobody. So guys.
You guys are the best.
So anyways.
For you guys.
Eat healthy, stay healthy. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.